Open your favorite browser and then search for vscode. The first link which will appear here will be from visualstudio.com. I'm going to just click on this link, and once this visualstudio.com website is open, you can see on the top and center download button. Here you can see various operating system stable version available. Choose your operating system. Click on this download for Windows button and wait for a few seconds. Visual Studio Code downloaded. I'm going to click on the executable file, and I will just minimize my browser. You can see the Visual Studio Code installer has been started, and after a few seconds you will be able to see this kind of interface, and here you can see the license agreement. Read the license agreement and accept license agreement. Click Next. VS Code installation location. By default disk C. If you need to change, select location or click Next. Create Start menu folder. By default Visual Studio Code. If you don't need, click the checkbox. Click Next. Select additional tasks. If you need, add this. Create a desktop icon. Click Add Open with Code Action to Windows Explorer File Context menu and Directory Context menu. Add to Path variable. Register code as an editor. Click Next. Click to create the project. Project created and general folder and default files are available here. Check Visual Studio Code installed or not. Open command prompt, type code version. Visual Studio Code installed. The Visual Studio Code version has displayed here. Type exit command for exit command prompt. Thank you for watching this video.